In the event that you're searching for Dogecoin cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Dogecoin Doge will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous costs of Dogecoin Doge and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Dogecoin is a cryptographic money that began as a cheerful joke in view of the famous Doge web image highlighting a Shiba Inu canine. Be that as it may, what started as a hilarious idea before long picked up speed, and Doge turned into a genuine computerized cash with a functioning and excited local area. Sent off in 2013, Dogecoin works on a decentralized and open-source blockchain, similar as Bitcoin. How Dogecoin functions. 1. Script calculation. Doge utilizes the script hashing calculation, which separates it from Bitcoin's SHA-256 calculation. This calculation upgrades exchange speed and makes Doge more available for regular clients, as it tends to be mined with purchaser-grade equipment. 2. Community-driven culture. One of Dogecoin's champion highlights is its dynamic and inviting local area. Doge fans, frequently alluded to as shibes, effectively add to worthy missions, tipping, and cultivating a positive internet-based culture. This people group's soul has assisted Doge with rising above its image beginnings. 3. Inflationary stock model. Not at all like Bitcoin, which has a covered inventory, Doge works on an inflationary model. At first, it had no greater stock limit, prompting the development of billions of Dogecoins every year. Nonetheless, a choice in 2014 executed a cap of 5 billion new coins yearly. 4. Microtransactions and tipping. Doge's low exchange charges and quick affirmation times make it ideal for microtransactions and web-based tipping. The people group frequently participates in tipping to communicate appreciation for content or administrations, adding to the coin's well-disposed and liberal picture. 5. Meme culture and web-based entertainment presence. Doge's association with the well-known Doge image has filled its far and wide acknowledgement and reception. Its perky picture, joined with a functioning presence via virtual entertainment stages, has added to Doge's exceptional personality in the digital currency space. Interesting elements. Local area generosity. Doge's people group has an outstanding history of charity. From supporting NASCAR drivers to supporting worthy missions, the Doge people group has reliably shown a pledge to offering in return and having a constructive outcome. Flexibility for regular use. With its low exchange charges and fast affirmation times, Doge is appropriate for ordinary exchanges, tipping, and microtransactions. This makes it an appealing choice for clients searching for a common sense and easy-to-understand digital currency. Social symbol. Doge's relationship with web culture and the Doge image has changed it into a social symbol. This one-of-a-kind marking plays had a critical impact in separating Doge from other digital forms of money. Dogecoin past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogecoin is $0.2592 and Doge is at present positioned #8 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Dogecoin is 143,936,984 with a market cap of $22,13,97,809. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogecoin's cost has shown a decent increment of 375% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Doge was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 441%. Dogecoin has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at least worth of $1.61 in 2024. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $380 with the typical exchanging cost of $21.41 all through 2024. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2025 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $355. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $582 with the typical exchanging cost of $41. Doge value gauge for 2026. Dogecoin cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $46.19 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $450 with the typical figure cost of $745. Dogecoin Doge Value Expectation 2027. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2027 the cost of Dogecoin is gauged to be at around a base worth of $69.99. The Dogecoin value worth can arrive at a limit of $20.20 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.7236 in USD. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at least worth of $103 in 2028. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.24 with the typical exchanging cost of $106 all through 2028. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.46 in 2029. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.75 with the typical cost of $150 all through 2029. Dogecoin Doge Value Forecast 2030. The cost of one Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least degree of $210 in 2030. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $253 with the typical cost of $218 all through 2030. Dogecoin Value Figure 2031. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $0.99. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $362 with a typical worth of $310. Dogecoin Doge Value Expectation 2032. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $422. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $525 with the typical exchanging cost of $438. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2033. Dogecoin cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $627 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $749 with the typical conjecture cost of $648. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2040. Looking at authentic execution gives setting, yet it is essential to perceive that previous exhibition isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at least value worth of $102.59. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $129.18 with the typical worth of $110.76. Doge Value Gauge for 2050. The reception and certifiable use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly imperative contemplations. Projects with functional